Hello. Let's learn to draw various shapes in Canvas. We are starting with our canvas already created. To start, we will draw a rectangle. We're going to start by setting the fill color because this will be a filled rectangle. We need to set the X and Y and then the width and height of the rectangle. Let's just comment here so we can have all shapes cataloged. Next, we're going to draw another rectangle, but this time using the stroke method. It's the same thing, but now we set the stroke style and the arguments of the stroke rectangle are the same. Just let's put it somewhere below the other one. Looks fine. Let's continue. Now let's combine the two so we can have a filled rectangle with a border on it. I'm going to copy the first and the second and just adjust the coordinates. Let's see. Looks fine to me. Now let's try a line. To draw a line, we need to begin a path, then move to the coordinates that we want to start with. Let's draw a circle using the arc method. For the full circle, we need to multiply pi by 2. For the half circle, we just use pi. You can see the full explanation on my other video about drawing a circle. To draw a triangle, we need to use our knowledge about drawing lines, and then combine the starting points and the end points of each line. Starting in a point in the X and Y axis, and then creating the first line like we did before. The next line starts from the end of the last line. To finish it, we can call the close path method. Now let's draw some text. This one is very simple. Just choose the color, the font, and write the text. Lastly, I chose to show how to import an image into our canvas. It's very simple. In this example, I already have the image in the same folder as my project. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more. And let me know your thoughts in a comment. I'd love to hear from you.